Hi, so today we're going to be working through this numeracy question. Pause for a sec if you want to try this yourself first, because otherwise I'm going to keep going. So just pause it, and I'm going to keep going. Alright, so let's read through it together first. Jonathan and Brian are buying Christmas turkeys from two different stores. Jonathan buys his 6.2 kilogram turkey for $48. Brian buys his 5.6 kilogram turkey for $41. Who received a better price per kilogram? Okay, so what we're going to be working out first is how much each turkey costs per kilogram. And then we're going to use that to compare and find out which one is cheaper. So let's see how we find out the price per kilogram. If I wrote it out, price per kilogram would have the rate looking like this. Okay, would have dollars per kilogram. And remember, per kilogram, there's technically a 1 here. So to do this question, I'm going to first write out my information like that. So Jonathan's turkey is, I'll write a J at the top. Right, it's 6.2 kilograms. Oops, sorry, wrong way. My bad. Yep, so that's something you need to pay attention to. How do we want our rate to be written out? I want dollars on top and kilograms at the bottom. So I'm going to write it's $48 per 6.2 kilograms at the moment. Okay. Don't forget my dollar sign. There we go. Okay, now I want to work out how much it costs for every 1 kilogram. So if you remember stuff like simplifying rates and simplifying fractions, you can do this, okay? Because essentially what I'm doing is I'm going to simplify this rate into having 1 at the bottom. How I do that is I'm going to go from 6.2 to 1. To do that, I'm going to divide by 6.2. And I have to do the same on the other side to keep it the same rate. Okay, so divide this by 6.2 as well. Okay, I've divided 48 by 6.2. This is something you can do in a calculator, because this would be a calculator question. And I would get something like $7.74 if I rounded it off to 2 decimal places. Let's try for Brian's turkey now. Right, so Brian's turkey is $41 and it's 5.6 kilograms. So $41 per 5.6 kilograms. Once again, I'm going to work out how much 1 kilogram costs. So I am going to divide by, what do you guys reckon? 5.6? Yep. So I'm going to divide by 5.6 here. That means I've got to do the same thing on the other side to keep it consistent. So I also divide this side by 5.6. That's going to get me $7.32 if I round off. Alright. So Jonathan's turkey is $7.74 per kilogram, and Brian's one's $7.32 per kilogram. I want to see who received a better price. So that means I want to find out the one that's cheaper. Okay, that's the one I would want to buy, of course. So right now, which one's cheaper? Oh, look, it's this one. So my final answer would be Brian, okay? Because it's asking who, not what the price is. So I'd say Brian received the better deal. And that's it.